How to unarchive chat on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. This is the default chat section where you will see all your chats till date. As you can see, here is an option labeled archived. This option only appears if you have archived at least one chat. Tap on it, then you will find all your archived chats right here. I have only archived a single chat at the moment. However, if you have multiple archived chats and want to unarchive them all at once, then I have made a separate video on it. The video link is available in the card section and description below. Make sure to watch it if you want to unarchive all chats at once. Now let's proceed with unarchiving this single archive chat. Tap and hold on it. Then tap on the unarchive icon at the top. As you can see, the archive section has been deleted automatically and we have been redirected to the default chat section with our chat which we just unarchived. And boom! You have successfully learned how to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.